Is your HP 14DK series laptop struggling to charge? A faulty DC power jack can be a real headache, but thankfully, there's a solution. Today, we're looking at the ZAHARA DC power jack charging port cable replacement, specifically designed for a range of HP 14DK models, including the 14, DK1022WM, 14, DK1025WM, and many more. First impressions are positive. The cable appears to be well constructed and feels durable. It's advertised as 100% brand new and high quality, which is always reassuring. Before you click that buy button, double check that your specific laptop model is listed as compatible. A mismatch could lead to unnecessary hassle. The product description emphasizes ease of replacement, suggesting that you can swap out the faulty port yourself. However, a word of caution: remember to perform this replacement with a laptop completely powered off. Safety first. If you're not comfortable with disassembling your laptop, it's always best to seek professional help. ZAHARA also highlights their responsive customer service, promising replies to messages within 12 hours. This is a definite plus, offering peace of mind should you encounter any issues with the product or your order. They also mention offering preferential prices for bulk orders, which could be useful for repair shops or anyone needing multiple replacements. While this isn't a hands-on installation guide, the key takeaway is that this ZAHARA replacement cable offers a potential fix for a common problem in HP 14DK laptops. If you're experiencing charging issues and have confirmed compatibility, this cable could be a worthwhile investment. Just remember to exercise caution during the replacement process or consult a professional if needed. A responsive customer service and potential bulk order discounts add further value to this product.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.